I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. Today we're going to take a look at how to buy cryptocurrency. Main thing I want to show you how to buy the big three, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin on Coinbase. And the main thing that's going up right now is Ripple Coin. As you can see right here, Ripple is trading at 330 average right now. Every website has its own price. They might have like a 50-cent change in each one, but this shows the average on all of them. This is coinmarketcap.com. It shows you the market cap, the symbol, price. Really simple, and shows you the price change overall. It says, as you can see, the top one is Bitcoin. Second is Ripple. This was about 5th place, 4th place. It passed Ethereum, Litecoin, and many of the other ones. And the new one that's coming up is Tron, that's TRX. So today I'm just going to show you how to buy Ripple Coin mainly. There's many steps to it. There's a lot of websites, but this is the easiest way that I found. Alright, and this method also shows you with the least fees. Okay, so first of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on my channel and click the bell button next to it to stay notified on my videos. Alright, so first you go over to Coinbase. You can make an account really fast. It takes like a couple days to get approved, but it might be taking longer right now just because there's more and more people signing up every day. There's like thousands of people signing up every day. They just want to get in the cryptocurrency market. So once you get that account set up, go ahead to your dashboard. You can see the prices over here and go to buy and sell. And then I found that Ethereum has the lowest, or the Litecoin and Ethereum are cheaper to buy, and there's less movement in them. As you can see, Bitcoin is like 15,000 something. Go to Ethereum or Litecoin, whichever one you prefer. I found that Ethereum works best, so if you want to do that, you can follow these exact steps. They do charge you a fee right here unless you deposit your money first. It takes like 3 to 5 days to deposit, but if you just want to get in, jump in right now into the market, you can buy it instantly. You can use your checking or debit card. There's more fees for the debit card, I believe, or credit card. There's less for the bank account if you have it linked account. Alright, so first you enter whatever amount you want to use. So let's say $100. So this takes into account of the fees. It won't charge you 100 plus this. It takes into account that it's going to spend this much plus the fees to add up to a total of 100. So whatever you enter here is the max amount it'll be charging you from your account. So if you put in $100, you're basically getting $97 worth of Ethereum. That's why, to get around these fees, just deposit your money first. Or you can use GDAX. That's another website that's a little more advanced, but that's what people have been doing. So first you want to buy Ethereum on there. Go ahead and click buy after that, and then if you go to the dashboard and you see your Ethereum account, it will show up right here. And if you go to accounts right here, you can check your Ethereum wallet, and then you go ahead and you want to convert that over to your GateHub account. That's GATEHUB.net right here. As you can see here, you can deposit your Ethereum or Ripple coins, sorry, and then you can store them on here. You can also buy them on here, but I see that it's just quicker to just convert them, just because the main reason is that they want you to have at least 20 Ripple coins minimum to activate the wallet. That's your wallet right here. That's why you have to convert that over. So go to shapeshift.com. So after you buy Ethereum on here, go to shapeshift.com. This is a good website. They have one of the highest and precise conversion. So you want to choose your deposit at Ethereum, and then you want to receive that as Ripple coin in your GateHub account. So that symbol is XRP. Okay, I guess it's already in there, Ripple coin. Okay, so you can choose quick or precise, and then you click continue. You can deposit. So the deposit amount has to be exactly what you're sending over. So this deposit amount, say you want to send like 1.155 ETH. So as you can see, the minimum amount is, okay, so ETH. Alright, so go over to Bitcoin or Litecoin. I'm not sure why that's not working right now. So let's do Litecoin. Your deposit amount, say you want to deposit like 10 Litecoins. You're going to be getting, it's going to load up over here. It's going to check with all the databases and then give you the best amount. Still loading there. So right here, you're going to get 839.43 something Ripple coins. But not everyone is going to be buying that many, so let's just use one Litecoin for this instance. So you want to get at least 20 Ripple coins to activate your GateHub account wallet. So choose whatever amount of Litecoin equals more than 20. So one Litecoin is trading right now at 237.67 per one coin. So say you buy one of those, it's going to cost you that much, and whatever fees are on there, and then you transfer one Litecoin over. So your Ripple address is your destination address. That's going to be the GateHub account wallet. So if you go over here and you want to deposit right here, click Ripple, and then that's your address right there. Just go ahead and click that, click copied. It'll copy over to your computer or whatever it is, and then you can just go over here, click paste. Your Litecoin refund address is going to be your Coinbase account. So if you go to account, Litecoin, you click receive here, that's your account. So copy that and paste that over there, and your destination tag is going to be, I don't think there's a destination tag unless you go over to GateHub and you go to deposit and you click Ripple. Yeah, there's no destination tag, so you can just leave that blank, and then you agree to the terms and you click start, and then it'll charge you 0.5 Ripple coin fee. That's like $1 or something, so it's not a big deal. There's other websites that charge you like way more, like $50 per like one Ethereum coin. So I don't know why Ethereum's not working, but Litecoin or Bitcoin, any of those will work. You can also use another one that's Coin. I forgot what that was. Crypto Coin Convert. And that website is going to be right here. CoinSwitch. I used this one before and it was really fast. So you just enter and then you do the same steps as before, and you put in all the addresses and how much you're depositing. You want to enter the exact amount that you're depositing, and this got into my account in like within an hour. Sorry, like minutes actually, and then deposit into my GateHub wallet in a couple minutes, and it was super fast. So what I did was bought coins here. I bought ETH. I went over to CoinSwitch. I said that I had ETH, you get Ripple coin, and then went into my GateHub account in like a matter of minutes. So that's the best way to buy Ripple coin. That's what I've been doing. There's also other websites like Binance, Poloniex, Bitfinex, Bitstamp, but those all require like processing of the application. I know Binance is one of the fastest ways, but they charge you a high amount of fees. So that's why I refer GateHub. It has good price, good transaction, and good wallet and security. This has been good for me so far. If you go to your wallet net worth, you can check it in ETH or US dollars. So I didn't put in that much. I barely put in money in this account just because I do stocks mainly. But I just want to get into this market, and I found that this was the fastest way. After you get your Coinbase account set up in like a couple of days, then that's the fastest part. You just link your bank account or choose a debit card, and you can have Ripple coins in your GateHub account within a couple minutes, unless you're depositing money and then buying it later on Coinbase. It might take a couple of days. So the fastest way is go to Coinbase, buy ETH or any of these coins here, convert them over using any of these websites. I'll put them in the link, and then you deposit them into your GitHub account. GitHub takes like a day or two to process. It might even open instantly, but there's a lot of people signing up, so just be careful on that. It might take time. So getting the account set up takes like a couple days, maybe like a week, but buying it, it's instant. That's the good thing about cryptocurrency. It's not like wiring money to a bank account or anything like that. You're just buying it with your debit card, your checking account, and you just transfer it over instantly. It's electronic, it's super fast. And GitHub is also very trusted, but you can also get a hardware wallet. We can go into that later, but this is basically just how to buy Ripple coin the best way, with low fees, and the fastest way. Alright guys, just be careful with cryptocurrency. It's a 24/7 market, unlike the stock market. It's always changing. The best way is to just buy it and hold it, unless you're buying like those really cheap coins that are like 5 cents or like pennies. Ripple is one of, as I've showed you, it's a top 2. It's in second place right here. It's 327. It's been growing really fast. This was 25 cents about like 2-3 weeks ago, and it's been shooting up lately. So 2018, I expect it to go easily to 50, maybe even 100 if you're pushing it, but conservatively, I see it at 50 plus. But once banks start approving this, and there are some banks right now that have it, but once the major banks like Bank of America, PNC, Wells Fargo, and all of them in the US start approving it, and they use that for transferring money from bank to bank, this will probably be like thousands easily. Alright guys, take care. Be careful with cryptocurrency, and let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the video, leave some comments, like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Alright guys, take care. See you later. Bye.